Welcome to Universal Studios!
Will be everlasting love. This will be the one I waited for. This will be.
We're here now at Super Nintendo World. It's raining, but you know, we should still have the fun. Let's go, my love! So let's enter. It's raining, but nobody can stop. Let's go! Nandito sa tunnel ni Mario. Dapat walay tunok. Okay, so welcome to Mario World. This is a dream come true for us, batang 90s.
Yes, kasi may mga, ano dyan, mga fan ni Mario and Luigi.
Mario!
Woo! Finally, we're here na and we're excited to, siyempre, libutin ang lugar ni Mario. Nakakamiss maglaro ng ng Game Boy na Mario. But, diba, finally, we're here.
Let's go! It's a dream! It's a very nice
So, we're now guys here sa Universal Studios ng mga merch. So, namalit na ang Super Mario. Time check 6:20